video. Baking video.
So Jonah's going to put half the flour in.
Alright.
Right, and Elliot's going to put the rest of the flour in.
Wait, I can pour all of it in.
Okay.
Oh, smells nice. Smells nice. I wish you.
Now then, in this mixture, we've got milk, oil and eggs. Now we're going to mix it slowly, right, in the flour. So are you going to put half of that, a little bit in now?
Yeah.
Well, okay. Start putting it in a little bit at a time.
Oh, it looks so good now. Like that?
Yeah, a bit more now. A bit more. Elliot, you coming to do this?
Yes.
Come on now, pour the rest of it in then. Okay. We're going to mix this up now until it's smooth.
Let's wait. We're waiting for a minute. Oh, that's nice.
So all the ingredients now have come together. Okay.
Right, so it's mixed up, guys. It looks not that good. Oh, that tastes good though. Can we eat a bit?
Right, you coming over here now?
Yeah. That's definitely chocolate chip. Oh, it's chocolate chip. Right. Are we putting it in the oven?
Yeah. Okay. Now, you ready?
Yeah.
Now we're going to put the cake mix now into these.
Can I lick it off there? Hello guys. Can I lick some off of it? Why?
Because I don't want to one of these, and then he's going to put one of them in the cake
Can
mix.
either go?
Yeah. right, I'll show you what you could do now. And then what we'll do is we'll fill them all. Right? You're going to do one next, Jonah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oops.
Put it in there now then. And do that. Elliot, you going to come and do one?
Yeah.
Come on then. Go on then.
Alright, what do I do?
You should be looking, shouldn't you? Right, what you should be doing now. Fill it up. No, put it in there now. Fill it up. Okay. Put it in there quickly. Right. And then do this. Okay. I think I better do the rest.
Yeah. Right, well, he's doing the rest. Let's just... It's gonna cut it. Look what it did.
Who are you going to sit by on the plane? Because the plane's got three seats.
Where's the other bits?
It was called an accident.
It was called a doofus mistake.
Makes mistakes. Right?